Question number 8. A gardener has 1,000 plants. He wants to plant these in such a way that the number of rows and the number of columns remain same. Find the minimum number of plants he needs more for this. So let us understand by an example. Consider plants arranged in columns and rows like this. There are total 3 columns and 3 rows. Let's count the number of plants in this picture. There are total 9 plants, and we know 9 is a square number and it is a square of 3, and 3 squared can be written as 3 multiply 3. We can see that here are 3 columns and 3 rows. So this can be expected to be columns, number of columns, and this can be taken as number of rows or vice versa. So we can say that total number of plants is equal to number of rows multiply number of columns, or number of columns multiply number of rows. Hope this is clear. There are total 9 plants and 9 is a square of 3. So 3 squared can be written as 3 multiply 3. So here 9 is equal to 3 multiply 3, and there are exactly 3 rows and 3 columns. So this can be number of columns and this can be number of rows. So total number of plants is equal to number of columns multiply number of rows. So let's start with the question. It is given that a gardener has 1,000 plants and he wants to plant these in such a way that the number of rows and number of columns remain same. So if number of rows is x, then number of columns is also x, then total number of plants will be equal to how much? Total plants will be equal to how much? Number of rows multiply number of columns, it will be x into x, that will be equal to x squared. But here it is given that total number of plants is 1,000. So x squared will be equal to 1,000. And what we have to find the minimum number of plants he needs more for this. So for that we have to find the value of x. So let's start. Here total plants are 1,000 and we have been given that number of rows and number of columns must be equal. So let number of rows x, then number of columns will be x. So total number of plants can be found by multiplying number of rows and number of columns. So x multiply x, it is x squared. But it is given that total plants are 1,000. So 1,000 is equal to x squared. So to find the value of x, we need to find the square root of 1,000. So when we find the value of x, we get square root of 1,000 and we can find by division method. And when we solve it, we get remainder as 39, which shows that 1,000 is not a perfect square. So how many more plants? It is asked that how many minimum number of plants we required for this so as to make the number of columns and number of rows equal. So see the quotient over here, it is 31. So square of 31 is 961. What will be the square of next square number? Yes, it will be the square number of 32. So 31 squared is equal to 961, and the next square number is 32. It is 1024, and we see that 1,000 lies between 961 and 1024. What we have been asked? We have been asked how many minimum number of plants required so that number of rows and number of columns are equal. That means we have to find the next perfect square. Means we have to find that number that must be added to 1000 so as to get a perfect square. So the least number that must be added to 1000 so as to get a perfect square is, how we can find it? We can find by subtracting 1000 from 1024. It is 24. So 24 are the minimum number of plants we required to make number of rows and number of columns equal. So how many more plants are required? That is 24 more plants are required.